and I've continued the practice on my own. What I remember in particular is the journey of the dot. To keep the brush moving was to keep like doing dots until something took hold, whether it was to return to the paint, get a color or a line, whatever. And I wondered if you could speak about the dot as, I don't know, the place to hold, or the revelation in the moment of a dot that suddenly breaks one open.
Yeah, I know there have been a lot of questions about the dot. I'd say the dot is the center of the universe. It's a little point where everything is. So some people feel very bad when they pen dots. They think it's not important. It's like stupid. It's childish. But actually, I have known so many people painting dots, and for a very long time, and they feel renewed by it because it just helps them letting go of concept, letting go of technique, and just at time when it comes, never make yourself do a dot saying, I don't know what to do, I do a dot. But the dots are, they are pure form. There is nothing attached to it. There is no story. There is no there is no explanation. I mean, there's just nothing. It's just pure. So when somebody lets themselves do something so pure for a long time, not asking for something more complicated, more meaningful, something happened inside of them. Some people have their lives changed just by doing that. When it's time, when they come, but I wouldn't say don't make a technique out of making dots. I mean, a lot of what you paint is like very, very powerful if you let it happen. And sometimes when you keep repeating something very simple that your mind cannot explain, you cannot find an interpretation, which is very good because we don't want to interpret. We don't want to move to that space. And when you let yourself do that, something relax in the body, just the body is able, has been able to accept, something that does not have usual meaning in it. Because if not, people will look for images, concept, a concept of this, a concept of that, concept. When you paint something little and small like that, there's no concept that can attach to it. You cannot say it means that about my life. If I paint 100 dots, what does it mean? You don't even go there. But some part of you has relaxed because it has let it happen.
Thank you. I would like to say that that's what I've experienced for the most part with dots. But starting here this time around, I was dotting away and I found myself bored all of a sudden.
And you stopped. Your body's telling you.
Yes.
Your body's telling you, I don't want that now.
Exactly.
So you keep listening. So some people will call it the dot heaven because sometimes when they painted dot, they were so happy. And then when you have enough, the body gets tired. It's stupid. It can't do it. You stop. The point is to keep listening, to what it wants inside. So whatever it is.